If you work in the US or have a dream of working there, listen carefully because something serious is changing and Indians are right at the center of it. Hi, this is Navabal and you're watching TimesXP. After President Donald Trump's major overhaul of H-1B visa system, a wave of anger has erupted online and Indian professionals are facing the heat. Well, here's what happened. The US government has completely changed how H-1B visa works. And the fees has jumped to a shocking 1 lakh USD. And visas are now being given mainly to the highest paid roles. The government says this is to protect the American workers, but the impact has been implosive. Soon after the changes, major US companies like FedEx, Walmart, Verizon started getting attacked online. Social media users accused them of selling jobs to Indians and pushing Americans out. Experts say this isn't just a random anger, some of it looked organized. According to hate monitoring groups, Indian American entrepreneurs and professionals are being specifically targeted. Indians are being labeled as job stealers and visa scammers, and when they've followed the legal process after all. Well, here's the alarming data point. And let me tell you, threats against the South Asian communities rose by 12% in just 1 month. Online slurs jumped nearly 70%, and that's not just the political debate. That's the intimidation. Then comes the moment that added fuel to the fire. A damaged FedEx truck went viral just before the Christmas. Instead of discussing the incident, the anger shifted towards the FedEx Indian origin CEO Raj Subramanian. Some of the posts said that stop the Indian takeovers of the American companies. Right-wing commentators accused him for firing white workers and replacing them with Indians. FedEx strongly denied this, saying that their hirings are based on the merit and not on the nationality, and the company serves more than 220 countries worldwide. But the damage was already done. This backlash is already happening at the time when many US companies are rolling back to the diversity and inclusion programs. Immigration is getting tighter. Political language around the jobs is getting harsher. And the twist here is, American companies still need skilled workers, engineers, doctors, researchers, and many come from India because there simply aren't local candidates. So, while the US economy depends on the global talent, the anger is being aimed at the workers instead of the system. This isn't about visa, it's about fear, job, politics, and identity. And the bigger question is, are Indian professionals being unfairly targeted for the political reasons? Drop your thoughts in the comments.